created 5 or 6 different sentences that have to do with Valentine's Day, since it's coming around the corner tomorrow. And we're going to work on stretching and elaborating, adding more information to our sentences to make them more exciting and more interesting for our readers. Okay, so I want to show you an example, first of all, of what you're going to do. The example I have here is not about Valentine's Day, because I want to let you do the work with Valentine's Day. The sentence that I'm going to use as my sample is what I shared with you. I fell down the stairs. Okay. I'm going to move there. Okay? Now, I'll wait. Matthew, I can wait. Dylan, I can wait. Nate, when you're ready. And remember, we're showing Miss Boofy how 4th graders act and write. And I'm not sure that everyone is really impressed with their behavior right now. If I take the sentence, I fell down the stairs, it's kind of boring. It doesn't give me all that much information. I know that I can add more to it. So I need to think a little bit. Okay, what happened when I fell down the stairs? What caused me to fall down the stairs? And I might think to myself, well, the first thing that happened was I caught my toe on the end of the carpet. Okay, so I'm going to jot that idea down. Caught my toe. And I'm thinking out loud on this one, and then you'll have a chance to do some of this thinking when you work on sentences today. Caught my toe in the carpet. Okay, and gee, what happened after I caught my toe in the carpet? Well, I think the next thing that happened was that I fell forward. Okay, well, what happened after I fell forward? Then I tumbled down the stairs. Now, I'm going to put these 3 actions together, and I'm going to use these details to help show my point of me falling down the stairs. So now I can take these and I can come up with a sentence that is definitely much more of a 4th grade quality sentence by saying, try and put all of these together here, I caught my toe in the carpet. Fell forward. And I'm going to put a comma there because I'm separating some of my different actions. First thing that happened was that I caught my toe in the carpet. Then I fell forward. And then tumbled down the stairs. Do you see how in this way, in this sentence, I took something boring, I fell down the stairs, I used my action chain. Okay. I used my action chain to come up with a sentence with a lot more detail to say the same thing. I caught my toe in the carpet, fell forward, and then tumbled down the stairs. Which one do you think sounds more exciting and gives more detail? Is it, I fell down the stairs, or I caught my toe in the carpet, fell forward, and then tumbled down the stairs? Alexa, what do you think? This one, how many people agree that this sentence gives more detail and more information, Brandon? You think this one or the first one? This one? Okay. This is what we're going for today. I want you to take some boring Valentine's Day sentences and add some different actions to them to stretch out your sentence and make it longer. On the Promethean board, I'm going to put up these 5 sentences. Jenna blushed. Nate. Steve opened the Valentine. My dad bought flowers. John put the candy on Sarah's desk. And I baked cookies. I want you to try to come up with at least 2 or maybe 3 actions that you can add to your sentence to improve it. Each of you is going to get a sheet to keep track of what your original sentence was and how you stretched it out. Okay, this is something that you can absolutely work on in your table groups. I've given you space to do 4 sentences, which means that you can pick your top 4 from this list of 5 to change. Okay? I'm going to be giving you probably about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to work on this, and then we're going to share together up front how we stretched our sentences. Before we do that, though, I know I had a couple of questions. Nikita and then Alexa.
Could you go to the next page, please?
This one?
The one forward?
Oops. This one.
Could you
Sorry.
add how the stairs were? So you could say, and I tumbled down the hardwood stairs.
You can absolutely improve it. And this is just my quick thinking off the top of my head. You could say that you tumbled down the hardwood stairs. You could say that you tumbled down the stairs head first. You can definitely add your own creativity. That's what I'm looking for when you do the Valentine's sentences. Alexa?
Well, could you use, guys?
You could, absolutely, if that adds to your sentence. Your goal, though, is to take these boring sentences, tell me what happened leading up to you falling down the stairs. What happened leading up to Jenna blushing? Okay, what happened after my dad bought the flowers? What happened before? Tell me some action steps that happened before this. Victor?
So we can't do like my dad bought a dozen flowers for
I don't want, on this activity, I don't want you to just add details that describe it. I want you to add actions. Yes, absolutely. There you go. Okay. Everyone set on what they need to do? Okay, I want you to talk with the people at your groups and share a little bit.